Hello guys, this is SSA Mentor and I'm back with a new video. Today we create some custom text animation. We can use this text animation in any promo and in any intro. Okay, let's get started. First take new composition, set the frame rate about 30 fps and duration about 10 seconds is perfect. Okay, first write the text United Corporate. We can change the font and color for this text. Go to text option and then go to animate option and go for enable character 3D, but we can't see any animation option. Okay, no problem. We can go to animate option again and we can add some position or animation. Yeah, perfect. Now we can see the animation option. You can set the keyframes for animation. I set the position about 0% to 72. Now we can see animation about position. Go to range selector, go to offset. I set about 0% to minus 100%. Set the keyframes, go to advanced option, then go to shape option and ramp up. Now, yeah, that's looking really smooth. Okay, we can add more properties. Go to add properties, then go to scaling section. Don't need to set the keyframes for scaling. Just go and set 0% scale. Now we can see the scaling animation also. Go to add option. Now we can add more properties. Go to anchor point. Okay, I set the anchor point about 360 degree. Yeah, it's look more smooth. We can also add more properties like rotation. Okay, go to add again, add properties, rotation. Okay, now I go to Y rotation and set about and rotation about 194 degree. Don't need any keyframe. We can see automatic animation in our text. Perfect, we are done with the text animation. Now we can add any background video. Okay, I have the video. You can just import the video. The link of the video is in the description. You can see it. Now create another shape layer for the text background. Okay, set it, set the color, but I feel it's not looking very attractive. So we can add border animation also. Yeah, we can create border for the shape layer. Now to animate borders, go to Add, then go to Trim Path. Okay, now set the keyframes for end 0% to 100%. Now set the keyframe for start 0 to 100%. Okay, now this is look better. Yeah, we can create this custom text animation, recreate this. We are succeed. Okay, this is the final result of our animation. We can see this is fantastic looking style. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. I will be back with a new content for you guys. Thanks again.